Hello guys, molweni. Hope you are enjoying your day. Guys. Usamke kuphela, hayi uyabadlisa ngamaphali. She goes here, she who finds a husband finds a chauffeur. Hayi, ugele uthi abahambayo abahambe. Uthi abahambayo abahambe, okusalayo I am here to stay. Go and tell them ukubana I am here to stay. Even ningangimemama ngaku birthday, even nangalela ukubana ngangeni kamseleko, okusalayo I am here to stay. Niyambona umseleko ukubana wonwabe kangakanani ano number 5. Hayi phela la hashtag mawufuna ipeace hamba ku number 5. Silana uyakhanya awushem ubaba umseleko awubaba, kusho ukuthi nje kahle kahle le fole seyi toxic ngalendlela ukuthi hayi shem ubaba umseleko nje when he's with them nje hayi, because it's fight after another fight after another. Hey, this thing nje ivesi nje ora yalapho nje ibe mdaka ibe mnyama nje mawufika kule ndawo uvese abe depressed umseleko, because masathi uya kumacele umacele ethi hey babakhe labafazi bakho, mayisathi uya umayeni athi we crook ndini, masathi uthi ubheka umangwabi avese amdobhe athi ungangilokoti, masathi uya kumakhumalo athi yeyi awuhambi ngani kumacele kuma wakho yeyi. And then nangu number 5, ngiyambona nje naye umseleko even ma drive laphana, like you can see man the aura ukubana hayi uhappy man lo muntu, like ispirit sakhe nje si free, ispirit sakhe si peaceful, uno number 5. You can see nje he looks more lighter, more happier. Even bamvideorize lapho ukuthi hayi shem is like that proper chauffeur ukubana I am doing my job because I know ukubana I am good at this. Kusho ukubana bahamba bamthakazelela lapho ukubana hayi wena hayi phela ne speed race ungasiwina. Hayi kumnandi shem kwa number 5. Hayi bathi khona stay where you are appreciated, stay where it makes you happy. There he is umseleko, much happier with number 5. Usamke naye uthi hayi okusalayo I am still in the picture, okusalayo he is still doing his husband duties with me. Shukubana abantu basazoya eshabeni, abantu baye intabeni, abantu bafaka ama-farewell nje. Hayi shem, it's not gonna bother them. They're like so unbothered, abase happy nkosi yami. Uyambona umseleko naye uyamoyizela nkosi yami, uyamoyizela. Kude kushiwo ukubana she who finds a husband finds a chauffeur. Usamke doesn't even have to drive because she's being drove around.